Now let us define positive term series. What is the series of positive term? This means that which have the terms which are positive, that is non-negative terms, which have non-negative terms which are always greater than equals to 0. Okay. Now what is the use of these terms of series? This term series is like the positive people, that is they always think positive. Okay. So take let us take theorem on this. Theorem is that if sigma an be a positive term series, then it converges if and only if sequence Sn of partial sum bounded above, right? That is Sn is bounded by k. If sigma an be a positive term series, let we have a series sigma an which are positive term series. It converts if and only if the partial sum of the sequence of this series which is all bounded above, then it is convergent, right? And what is the divergence of this series? If sigma an be a positive sum series such that limit n tending to infinity an is not equals to 0, then it diverges. That is, if we have a term which is not equals to 0 as n tending to infinity, then the positive term series becomes divergence. Okay. Since monotonic sequence either converge, either diverge or divert but never oscillate. Monotonic sequence either converge, either diverge but never oscillate. Therefore, positive sum series are either converge or diverge but never oscillate. Okay. Now let us define the example of this sigma cos pi upon 2n. This is the sequence which are series which are positive sum series. Okay. Now take it example of that an is equals to cos pi upon 2n. Let n limit n tending to infinity, this gives you cos 0 which is equals to 1, that is not equals to 0. This implies that the series is divergent.